Hello mga ka-kitchen! Welcome back to Kitchen Time with Ana. Parang lahat na lang may sakit, kaya tara pagalingin natin yan with this Cuban-style chicken noodle soup. Let's start! So first, i-prepare muna natin yung mga veggies na kailangan for this recipe. We need 3 stalks of celery, 1 green bell pepper, tanggalin natin yung buto at yung kanyang veins, then i-slice natin into small cubes. Kailangan din natin ng 1 white onion na i-slice natin into small cubes. 3 piraso na maliliit na carrots, balatan lang natin and then roughly slice natin into bite-sized pieces. Ganon din ang gagawin natin with 3 pieces of potatoes. To add a little sweetness sa ating soup, maglalagay tayo dito ng sweet corn, 2 piraso ito. Mag-mince na rin tayo ng isang bulb ng garlic and yung ating 1 kilo of chicken, i-marinate na into salt and pepper. Ni-remove ko rin yung skin and fat ng chicken para hindi maging oily at fatty yung ating soup. Then, ipa-fry natin to until halfway through. Afterwards, ay i-shred natin to according to the thickness na gusto ninyo. Now, we can start making the soup. Sa isang pot, isutay na natin with olive oil ang ating onion. Kapag medyo nag-soften na siya, idagdag na yung garlic, bell pepper at saka celery. Mix it all together. Then, we can add the seasonings. We have 1 teaspoon of each, paprika, oregano, and cumin. Now, we can add the chicken. I-mix lang natin together para maging well-seasoned din siya. Then, we can add 1 liter or more of water or chicken stock. Lagyan din natin to ng dahon ng laurel, mga 4 na piraso to. Then, takpan. Kapag kumukulo na siya, doon na natin idadagdag yung carrots, potatoes, and the sweet corn. Then, cover natin to again. Hintayin na lang natin na maging soft na yung mga huli nating dinagdag. Tapos, we can add our pasta of choice. I'm using fusilli kasi ito yung available sa akin. Tapos, lalagyan na natin to ng pampalasa pa na asin at paminta. Depende na sa gusto ninyo yung dami. Once al dente na yung pasta ninyo, you can garnish it with some fresh parsley and we're ready to serve.